Hello everyone. Just a quick demo of something I've been doing lately. Being able to transparently proxy the calls from Tekton Hub to the Artifact Hub. So currently we have an issue with Tekton Hub being deprecated, and there is no easy way to make that happen. To don't break a customer, sorry. And so we so the proxy would be like a small Go binary that can run like in a small VM, which I can provide as well. And basically would be able to be transparent to the user and just point to Artifact Hub directly. So I kind of vibe coded the whole thing, but I had a pretty long testing thing that worked really well. So let's see how it works first and see how it goes. So first of all, I'm going to run the proxy. So it runs the proxy. It has like a few settings. By default, like we just do the right thing. So currently, I am going to make my hub resolver to point to it. Do that. So whenever I am going to make sure that it's been the environment points to the Tekton Hub API is going to point to my local proxy here. So that works. So now I just need to create a pipeline run. So I've done that work already. So what it's going to do, it's going to fetch the repo, and no, it's going to like that, and it's going to use it to fetch the TKN API. So all that thing is going to use the Tekton Hub type. So by default on the hub resolver, it's like using artifact hub. But if the user was using a Tekton type, it should automatically use the artifact hub and to answer. So now I am going to create a new LS. It's already there. Okay, so I am going to run that PR. All right, so it's going to start. You'll see here is that it's going to get to translate. So I already had to translate, and using the TKN ACI and see if it works. I'm going to say, yeah, it worked properly. So what I did, it fetched he actually requests the API as a Tekton hub, and it fetched the artifact hub URL instead. So that works. There is a pretty, I made it to run like a pretty comprehensive test suite. The test suite will test like all the different things that we do in the hub resolver. And yep, it runs nicely, and it does the whole things properly. And yep, that's it. So I'm hoping to run that on a small VM that we already have running publicly. And I'd like to have maybe at some point when we're going to deprecate the API to have the API URL pointing to that. So then there will be no disturbance for users who's using Tekton API. Thanks. I'll send the repo as well over.